Hey folks, welcome to another training video. We're going to be talking about the My Checked-Out Content Gadget today, which is my personal favorite gadget just because it's so darn useful all the time. Let's hop into OU Campus and see how it works. The gadget, as you can probably guess by its name, tracks the pages that you have checked out over time. It appears on both the dashboard, like we see here, and also on the sidebar. As you probably know, anytime you edit a page, asset, or binary file in OU Campus, the file is checked out to you and stays checked out to you until you manually check it back in or when you publish the file in question. This means that you could accidentally hoard files that you didn't mean to keep because you simply opened it briefly, realized it wasn't what you were looking for, and then navigated to the file you did want to go to right after. This happens to me all the time, and the best way to stay on top of it is by checking this gadget. As we can see, the gadget shows what file it is, when the file was checked out to you, when this file was last saved, and finally its status icon. I can click on the path of the file to travel directly to it in case I need to make some more edits, publish the page, or simply just remind myself what the heck that file does. Now, any file that's locked to me is going to show up here. This includes, obviously, my normal checked out pages, represented by the illuminated light bulb. It also includes files that I've scheduled to publish or expire, represented by calendars and the big no symbols, respectively, and any file that's been sent to me for approval, signified by the thumbs up icon. Files that I've sent to other people for approval won't be listed here because those files are technically checked out to the other user while they wait for approval. So, seeing all my checked out files is great, and being able to navigate to them in one click is also nice. But the best part of this gadget, in my opinion, is the fact that I can also check files back into the system using the gadget, which is awesome. Say I've checked out a file accidentally. I can simply just click on the light bulb icon in the gadget, and the file will be checked back in. It'll also automatically remove itself from the list in the gadget, so we can always have an up-to-date listing. I can even cancel scheduled publishes and files pending approval in the same way. I simply click the icon, and a confirmation dialog appears asking if I really want to check the file back in. Saying OK will then check the page back into the system, which effectively cancels the pending action. That covers all there is to know about the My Checked-Out Content Gadget. Here's a recap of the important details. The My Checked-Out Content Gadget resides on both the dashboard and in the gadget sidebar. Use the gadget to quickly see a list of all the files you have checked out currently. You can navigate to the pages in question from the gadget, and you can also check each file back into the system with just a click or two. Like I said, this is basically my favorite gadget simply because of how often I find myself using it. I hope it's just as useful for all of you. Thanks for watching.